Welcome back to Soulful Summit, the heart and mind of inspiration and motivation on Soulful Summit. I'm Grace, your friendly guide on this journey to a healthier, happier, and more confident you. Today, we're going to delve into the beautiful concept of unity in diversity. We'll explore how this principle can inspire us, challenge us, and ultimately transform us. So let's dive right in. Unity in diversity. It's a phrase we've all heard, but what does it truly mean? It's about celebrating our differences while recognizing our shared humanity. It's about understanding that our individual uniqueness contributes to a beautiful, vibrant tapestry that is humanity. It's about acknowledging that our strength lies in our diversity, not in spite of it, but because of it. Unity in diversity is not just about accepting differences, it's about embracing them. It's about learning from each other, growing together, and creating a world that is richer and more colorful because of our diversity. It's about realizing that our differences are what make us unique, and that uniqueness is something to be celebrated, not feared. If our daily videos are becoming your go-to for all things inspirational and motivational, show some love by hitting like and subscribe to always stay updated. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue to bring you content that inspires and motivates. Unity in diversity is a powerful source of inspiration. It reminds us that we are all part of something bigger, something beautiful. It inspires us to look beyond our differences and see the common threads that bind us together. It challenges us to step out of our comfort zones, to learn from others, and to grow as individuals and as a community. But inspiration is not enough. We must take action. We must strive to create a world where diversity is celebrated, where everyone feels valued and included. We must challenge ourselves to be more understanding, more accepting, and more compassionate. We must strive to be the change we wish to see in the world. Unity in diversity also promotes personal growth. It challenges us to broaden our perspectives, to learn from others, and to grow as individuals. It encourages us to step out of our comfort zones, to embrace new experiences, and to learn from different cultures, beliefs, and perspectives. Personal growth is not a destination, it's a journey. It's about constantly striving to be the best version of ourselves. And what better way to grow than by learning from others, by embracing diversity, and by recognizing that our strength lies in our unity. In closing, unity in diversity is not just a concept, it's a way of life. It's about celebrating our differences, learning from each other, and growing together. It's about creating a world where everyone feels valued and included. So let's embrace diversity, let's learn from each other, and let's grow together. Remember, our strength lies in our unity. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Until next time, keep growing, keep learning, and keep inspiring.